in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my got a
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from Outre. It's actually one of their newer units from their melted hairline collection by the name of Mandisa. This unit comes in multiple different colors. I went with the 1B and I'm not gonna lie y'all, I think I'm slowly starting to get over the like vibrant colored units just because, I don't know, it might be because I'm getting older, but I don't know, I think I want to stick with the like 1Bs, 2s of course. But I mean, I do like me a good brown moment and I do love me a good blonde moment, but I think the most color I want to do from like here on out is probably like the reddish browns. I don't know, that could easily change. As you can see, this is a banged unit, and I'm not gonna lie, at first I was like, how are y'all creating a banged unit in the melted hairline collection? Because most of the time the partings for melted hairline collections is usually on either the left or the right side, and it's usually in like a C shape. This one, as you can see, is like right down the middle. To me, low-key, it's giving T-part just because you do have your 5-inch parting space down the middle, and then you also have your lace space that's here on the side. Now, I will say this unit came like slightly pre-plugged. Do I think they could have like plugged it a little bit better? Yes, absolutely. But at the same time, with the styling of the unit, who's really gonna see it? I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't paying that close of attention to the cap construction for this unit, but if I could guess, I would say that it comes with 3 humps in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. Then it also has a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. The texture of this unit is my favorite texture, yaki texture, and nobody can tell me that yaki texture units are not like the elite units or the elite texture of units. Like, you could argue with me, but you would really be arguing with yourself because I said what I said. This unit does come with some slight layers and curls in her, which makes her just look so voluminous. This unit is 24 inches long, so she does go like past my breast area. Keep in mind, I am 5'7", so when all of the unit is pushed towards the back, she goes past my mid back. But I'm not gonna lie, a part of me is like wanting to cut her to like right here. I don't know, I just feel like that would flatter the unit even more. I don't know, I might cut this unit before this video is over. The density of this unit, I would say it's like your average density. Like, I'm trying to see if I can feel some tracks, which yes, I can feel some tracks. Personally, I would wear this unit more so in the like fall and winter months just because of like the length of her. I don't know, I feel like it would get like really hot on my neck during the spring and summer times, but at the same time this unit does have a breathable cap, so I might be okay. I don't know. I low-key need the clouds to go back in front of the sun because I'm not about to be fighting with this sun or the lighting. Yeah.
Hey, woman hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprints to Quebec. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit really quick. The first con is that I'm not getting any tangling, but I am getting some snags here and there. And my personal solution for that would be to just carry around like round brush with you. That way you can just, you know, brush out those snags and hopefully it will suffice. As far as shedding is concerned, I'm not really getting a whole lot of shedding either. I am getting a few strands here and there, but I mean, like, that's kind of expected. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. Of course, I love the texture of this unit, but I'm also really liking the styling of this unit. And I can't lie, at first I was like, what is this gonna give? Is this gonna give like early 2000s? But it's like, I don't know. I feel like the bang with the curls and the layers, she eating down. Like, I feel like this style has been done so many times, but I feel like the texture of the unit, and I'm looking in the mirror, sorry, that's why I keep looking to the side, but I feel like when it's this style and it's this texture of a unit, I don't know, it just like elevates the style or something. Something else I'm loving about this unit is the fact that even though it gives like T-part vibes, you do still have like enough lace space on the sides where if you did want to go in and pluck it, personally, I'm not going to go in and pluck it because it's a synthetic unit and I'm just like,
I ain't got the time. I don't want the time. I just don't want the problems. No. Anyways, I do feel like you could go in and pluck the sides even more to where then you could like do a pushback look, you know, a little half up, half down moment, and it can make the unit look even more realistic. Another thing that's really nice about this unit is the lace. It melted so nicely. Yes, it is giving moon shape right now, but y'all, it's a bang wig. I'm not gonna go in and like do the most with the hairline, like anybody got time for that. But the lace melted so nicely on this unit. Now, if you're wondering if she's big head friendly or not, yes ma'am, she absolutely is. Like low key, I have so much space here in the bag, it's kind of ridiculous. And I say it's ridiculous just because, I don't know, sometimes Outre can be like really good with having like big head friendly units, and then other times they're not. I just wish that they would find like a really good, consistent, what's the word I'm looking for? Just be consistent. Platform? Not platform. Base? I don't know. Just be consistent though with the sizing of the caps. Y'all, I'm low-key, high-key all over the place because I'm trying to finish this right before it's time for me to go pick up my kiddos. But anyway, this unit is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, I still want to like cut her. I just don't know how short I want to cut her. Maybe to right there. I love the 1B in this as well. I think I might even like grab her in the, the chocolate swirl. I don't know, I just feel like this unit would be really pretty in a brown color, but I wish they made it in a, what's that color? I want to say it's DRFF ginger brown. Like, could y'all imagine this unit in that color? Oh, I don't think they make it in that color, but Outre, if you know, you want to revamp it, or you just want to make like just one of those, send her to me. But anywho, y'all let me know what y'all think and how y'all feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information that I can find about this unit down in the description box below. That's along with a link for this unit. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.